how to add emotion in ElevenLabs. Alright, first things first, let's open up your web browser. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in ElevenLabs, just like you're Googling it. Great, now look at the list of results that pops up. Click on the first link you see for ElevenLabs. It should take you straight to their website. Now, pay attention here. There's gonna be an option to mess with voices. It might say something like add voices or voice settings. Click on that, and you'll see a bunch of sliders and buttons. These are what we'll use to add some emotion to your words. Play around with those sliders. You can make the voice sound more stable, or give it some extra oomph with style exaggeration. Just move them left or right until you like what you hear. Okay, now here's the fun part. Hit the generate button to hear a sample of how your text will sound with those settings. It's like a sneak peek. If you want to change the words that are spoken, you can do that too. Just type in whatever you want the voice to say. Get creative. Oh, and don't forget, you can pick different models for the voice. They're kinda like different characters that'll give your words their own flavor. Once you're happy with how everything sounds and looks, it's time to make it official. Hit the download button. Adding emotion in ElevenLabs is a breeze. With a few simple adjustments to your settings, you can elevate your text to new heights. So go ahead, give it a try, and let your words evoke emotion like never before.